Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is what is Point Nemo? Two women officers of the Indian Navy aboard the Indian naval sailing vessel Tarini crossed Point Nemo, a significant milestone in their global circumnavigation expedition Navika Sagar Parikrama 2. The expedition began on 2nd October 2024 and aimed to complete a double-handed circumnavigation of the world via the three Great Capes. The ship reached Lyttelton Port in New Zealand in December 2024 and is now heading towards Port Stanley in the Falkland Islands. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new batch for the IAS-GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501-87501. Point Nemo and its significance. Point Nemo, located at coordinates 48 degree 52.6 south, 123 degree 23.6 west, is the most remote location on Earth situated in the South Pacific Ocean. It is known as the oceanic pole of inaccessibility and is thousands of kilometers away from any landmass or habitation. Point Nemo is also recognized as a space debris graveyard where non-functioning satellites are intentionally directed to reduce space debris around Earth. Space debris and its impact on Point Nemo. Over 260 pieces of space debris, including the Russian Mir space station and NASA's Skylab, have been deliberately crashed into Point Nemo since 1993. This location was chosen to prevent the debris from falling over populated areas as it is one of the most isolated points on Earth. The surrounding ocean is devoid of marine life due to nutrient-poor waters, making it inhospitable for most aquatic creatures. Now it's time for the practice question. What is Point Nemo best known for? Highest point in the Pacific Ocean, space debris graveyard, largest underwater mountain, or largest marine sanctuary? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.